Dito ako sa kanya sa road guys. Ayan.
Nang loadan itong aking Easy Trip card. Ayan, lolodan natin. Expressway dito sa Petron. Nag-stop over ako guys for personal necessity. Tapos dahil mag-uumaga na, mag-sunblock muna ako guys kasi mamaya sigurado mainit na yun guys. Kaya mag-sunblock muna ako guys. Gamit itong Hickory Sunscreen. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Huminto ako kasi nga nag-CR ako. Tapos, iinom ako ng tubig. Ayan. So, yung aking water bottle, guys, ay Hailey. Ayan. Hailey. Magsi 6 months na to sa akin, guys. Ayan. Actually, this is thermos, guys. Ginawa ko na lang siyang baonan. Lamig nito, guys, is matagal mawala. Kaya ito yung ginamit kong water bottle. Okay, guys. Let's go na. Arat na naman tayo. Let's go! Oh my gosh, tingnan nyo, guys, yung sa harap ko. Yung sunset, guys. Time check is 6:16 a.m. Ngayon, magbibigay ako ng 20 pesos. Libre naman siya guys, kaso kasi nga dito sa Petron may free service. Pero kailangan din nating magbigay doon sa
mga 30 lang po.
Sige po, sige, lagay. Okay guys, let's go ulit. Okay na? Thank you. Mag-CR muna tayo, guys. Grabe. Ang haba pa ng biyahe ko, guys. 3 hours pa lang. Tapos ganito na. Ay, naku.
ko na lang po yung receipt.
Let's go na naman. Harap na ulit! Guys, naligaw ako kanina. Ngayon, pabalik tayo sa
In 100 meters, turn left onto Nuevo Vizcaya.
Guys, 5 hours na ako nagtagal. Siyempre kasama na yung
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. That's right. I was born to fight. Let's go. Baby, I was born to fight. It's hard to be yourself down a lonely road. I try to find my way but don't know where to go. It's hard to see your friends, tell them adios. When you known them all for like forever, now you're just a ghost. Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, yeah, I feel alone. Been single for a decade, you and me is getting old.
Kaya tingnan nyo guys, super bangag na yung mga ko. Nagre-red. Dito ako sa boundary ng Biskaya at Nueva Biskaya at Pangasinan. Kakain tayo
Lights go out, I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes. Cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. Baby, I was born to fight. Baby, I was born to fight.
Nandito ako ngayon sa Aritao, ay Santa Fe. Ayan, bibili tayo ng planters. May bibilihin kasi ako guys, kaya dumaan tayo dito. Tao po, may planters kayo?
Meron pa.
Magkano?
1K isang set.
Ha? Nasaan?
Lanterns.
Yung mas maliit dyan?
Ganito?
Oh. 450 pero 400 pesos na lang. O, diba? Ang ganda guys. Itan ko nga guys yung binili ko. Ayan o. Ito na yung binili ko guys. Ayan. Ang cute mo. Time check guys is 3:30. Andito na ako sa Bambang. Malapit na tayo sa Santiago. Nagda-drive. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. So, 10 hours, guys. 10 hours. Imagine. Oh my gosh. Ay, bags na ako. Ay, nako. Guys, ano po? Hello?
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last